Hello everyone. Hopefully all doing great today. I am really excited today to take you a quick and exciting journey of a mathematical topic that is all around us, which is Pythagoras theorem. Don't worry, I will keep the thing simple, short and clear. By the end of this session, you will be only understand that what is Pythagoras theorem, but you will also understand the concept of Pythagoras theorem, where we can apply them, and we will also do the practice of different questions along with it. First of all, let us understand what is Pythagoras theorem and how we can use Pythagoras theorem in different right angle triangles. Actually, Pythagoras theorem can be used to find out the missing side lengths in right angle triangle. As we know, there are three sides in any right angle triangle, which are hypotenuse, represented by the letter C here in the figure, perpendicular, represented by the letter A here in the figure, base, represented by the B here in the figure. So, formula states that in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So from the context of this picture, a square plus b square is c square, which is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hopefully from this slide it is clear that to you that what is Pythagoras theorem. Now let us move to the next slide, which gives us the proof for Pythagoras theorem. Here we are giving a geometrical proof of Pythagoras theorem, which is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Suppose here we have taken perpendicular as 3 units, base as 4 units, then hypotenuse of the right angle triangle would be 5 units, because 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and sum of them means sum of 9 and 16 is 25, which is equal to 5 square. So the length of hypotenuse will be 5. Now see the figure carefully. Here the base is 3 units and the perpendicular is 4 units. The area of base will be 9 units and area of perpendicular, which is 4 unit, that is 16 units. Now just see the hypotenuse, that is 5 units, and its area is 25. Thus it is proved that square of the base and the perpendicular will always be equal to square of the hypotenuse of that right triangle. Isn't it exciting? So now we are moving to our next slide. Now we will understand the applicability of Pythagoras theorem. In next slides, we will understand how to apply the Pythagoras theorem to determine the unknown side lengths in a right triangle. Second, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we will determine whether a triangle is right angle or not. So, in next slide, you will understand how Pythagoras theorem help us in mathematics. Here, we have given one example. Here we have given a right triangle in which we have to find the missing side. So here one side is 8 units and that is perpendicular. The other side is 6 unit, that is base. Now we have to find the hypotenuse of this right triangle. To find out the hypotenuse of this triangle, in the first step, what we have to do? We have to substitute the numbers into the formula. Here the base is 6, so in place of a we will write 6 square, and perpendicular is 8, so in place of b we will write 8 square will be equal to c square. Here c is the hypotenuse, so 6 square will be 36, 8 square will be 64. If you will add them, you will get the 100. Yes, so c square will be 100. In the next step, we will find the square root to find the value of c. We will find the square root of 100. Square root of 100 will be 10. So that's how the hypotenuse will be 10. By this way, we can easily find the missing side of a right angle triangle. Here we have find the hypotenuse. Clear? Now let us move to our next example, in which we have to find out the missing side in a right triangle. But this time, not the hypotenuse. This time we have to find the base of right angle triangle. So in this example, Firstly, in the first step, we will substitute the numbers into the formula, like a square plus b square plus c square. That is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Here, perpendicular is 7. So we will put in place of a 7 square. Base is missing. So we will write b square is equal to c square. Hypotenuse is 11. So 11 square will be 21. So if we will find the squares, 7 square is 49 plus b square is equal to 121. From here, we can find the base. In the second step, we will rearrange the unknown numbers, unknown terms. B square will be 121 minus 49. That will give us 72. B square will be 72. If we have to find the value of b, we will find the square root of the 72. If we will find the square root of 72, we will get 8.49. That will be the value of the base. That will be the value of the base. So that's how we can easily find the unknown side. By this way, we can easily find any missing side of a right angle triangle if we know the two sides of right angle triangle. Now let us move to the next slide. In this slide, we have given a triangle with sides 7, 9 and 11 units. We have to find out is this triangle is right angle triangle or not. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out that the given triangle is right angle or not. Let us understand how. Just do the square of the highest value number and equate it to the sum of lesser digit numbers. Okay, so here we will do the square of 11, that is 121, and we will also do the square of other two sides like 9 and 7. 9 square is 81, 7 square is 49. So if we will add them, we will get 130. But 130 is not equal to 121. So that's why this is not a right angle triangle. This is not a right angle triangle. So that's how we can check is the triangle is right angle or not. Now there are some practice questions for you. So we have to find the missing sides of right angle triangle and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so in the first triangle you are seeing perpendicular is given, base is given, we have to find hypotenuse. In the second triangle, perpendicular is 9, base is 6 and we have to find hypotenuse. In the third triangle, perpendicular is given, hypotenuse is given and we have to find base. In the fourth triangle, base is given, hypotenuse is given, we have to find perpendicular. So we can find the solution of these like that. If you will see the first triangle, since perpendicular and base are given, so according to Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So 4 square plus 5 square will be equal to c square. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. If you will add, you will get 41. And under root of 41 will be 6.40. So the hypotenuse is 6.40 here. In the question number 2, we have given perpendicular and base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So 9 square plus c square will be equal to c square. If you will add the square of 9 and 6, you will get 117, that is 117. So if you will find the under root of 117, you will get 10.82. So the value of hypotenuse in the second triangle will be 10.82. In the third triangle, we have given perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, so in this triangle, if we have to find the base b square will be equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So 12 square minus 6 square. If you will subtract the squares of these two numbers, you will get 108. And to find the value of b, we will do the under root of 108. So that's why you will get the value of b is 10.39. In the last fourth triangle, in that triangle, we have to find perpendicular. Hypotenuse and base is given. So if we have to find the perpendicular, then we have to subtract the 15 square and 8 square. It means we have to subtract the 8 square from 15 square. You will get the number 161. If you will find the under root of 161, you will get the value 12.69. So in the fourth triangle, the value of perpendicular will be 12.69. So As a quick recap, we can say that thus in a right triangle, sum of square of base and perpendicular will always equal to hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. If one triangle is not fully filling this criteria, then that triangle cannot be the right angle triangle. Hopefully you understand the topic very well. Thank you everyone. Now, there are some practice questions for you.